Welcome to the Master Cars Pro channel. Today we'll talk about the problems and weaknesses of Mitsubishi Outlander. In 2017, the Mitsubishi Outlander was known for having a lot of random electrical issues. Bluetooth seemed to be impossible with the volume turned up. People still couldn't hear phone calls or music coming through the speakers, and to talk on the phone the old-fashioned way, you needed to turn your phone off. 2020 Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV Mitsubishi. Another driver was very frustrated with Android Auto. If they connected their phone, they couldn't pull up navigation apps. They instead waited for the Android Auto interface to map GPS instructions, but it could never quite manage that. Also, the voice-to-text feature always asked, "What's the message?" before the driver could finish talking. The 2014 Mitsubishi Outlander is the model with the most complaints, and a few of them involve faulty safety equipment. A few drivers had trouble with the airbags. The airbag light would appear saying they needed to be serviced randomly. No matter what, the light would stay on and continue blinking even without an accident or reason to deploy. Because the light always stayed on, it could lead to battery issues. In a few cases, other drivers got into accidents and the airbags didn't deploy despite this being a known issue. A recall for the faulty airbags was never issued. Drivers noticed the issues with their seatbelts as well. The seatbelts were known for not retracing on the passenger side, and in some cases the seatbelts didn't tighten during accidents, although sometimes the seatbelts got stuck, causing children to panic. Some children needed help getting free. And more recently, the 2018 Mitsubishi Outlander has been receiving complaints about the engine problems. Some drivers dealt with the engine stalling out when switching from reverse to drive. You have to completely restart the vehicle to move, which can be a hassle. Also, this problem occurred early on before the car hit 50k miles. Another driver experienced their Mitsubishi Outlander cutting off if you accidentally hit the keys while driving, so ease up on the long key chains with that model. Also, the engine is known for creating loud clicks and clanks that can get pretty annoying and concerning. The cruise control seemed to have a mind of its own too. Drivers would be cruising along at the speed if they set only to have their cruise control randomly disengage. They would then to have either brake and get out of the way or speed up before an accident occurred. This problem didn't pair well with the reported brake issues for the 2018 model. The brakes wore prematurely, making it more challenging to come to a stop in an emergency. Well, if you are the owner of this car, then please describe the problems that you had to face during the operation of the car. Perhaps it is your feedback that'll help viewers when choosing a car. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for attention. It isn't much work for you to subscribe to the channel. See you soon.